Hi everybody, thanks for being here with me. We are going to do my penny challenge update, and there was a lot of money just kind of floating around in my purse this week, so it's actually going to be a bigger one again. Let's go ahead. I am going to organize it all and we will come back and count it. So we have it all organized. Let's get my calculator out here. So we have, well, I didn't get it all organized, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, I'll do that in a minute. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I was off one. All right, $8 and 20, 40, 50, 60, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71.71. So $19.71 is what we are working with today. There's a lot of ones in there. Right, let's go ahead and start. $19.71 minus 71 minus 3.5 minus 3.49 minus 3.48 minus 3.47 minus 3.46. Okay, so we are up to $2.31, and that is open. All right, so we are officially under the $3.50 mark set. We are officially under the $3.50 mark. So it's just going to keep going faster and faster as we go along. And we also finished another row. That's awesome. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye.